Yes. Greetings in the name of the Most High. Yeah, out for the morning walk. Yeah. Whoa. So, this is what we're doing, you know? Early in the morning, early Sunday morning, and I'm taking a stroll. Okay? Yeah. So, this is what it's all about. It's just boring anyway because I feel just like hold the camera in your hand and it's just like, yeah, see much at all. But walking early in the morning, yeah, and in the neighborhood, yeah, I'm in the neighborhood, ooh, in the neighborhood, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. It's a bird. Yeah, this was in Jamaica. It would be like a guinea tree or a mango tree, but it's not a fruit tree. It's a tree, not being no fruits, no fruits at all, no fruits at all on the fruit trees. Okay, so and the breeze is blowing. Oh yeah, the breeze is blowing. Ooh, that's the whole thing. Whoa. There's the King's Avenue. See? King's Avenue. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Okay. So, let me say, come 12. Right? Okay. 21st of June. It's like next week. So, I don't know what the fail is. Whoa. Most people don't get to put it in bed yet. But Lance is out on a walking. And he is doing some walking. He's not doing no talking. He's just doing some walking. Yeah. And I'm going and going. This house up on the hill. So up on the hillside. Yeah. Yeah. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, oi. I don't get to go there anywhere. Oh, on the step. There's a step that brings you up there. Good exercise. Oh, yeah, yeah. A little outside garden. People. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. I'm talking because I know I got a camera on. See usually I'm just be quiet, not say nothing. And I'm talking soft anyway, so I don't know if you're hearing me or what. But yeah. Ooh, a bird. So yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, yeah. So wow. Yo. Yeah. That's the man. Oh yeah, yeah. Man just fast running bicycle and he said, that's the man. He must be like, what the hell is going on? But as I said, I don't care. I'm a free man and I go anywhere. So, wow, look at these flowers. Look at them. Lovely. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah. Nice bright flowers then. Take one the last time when I do some walking and do a TikTok video and yeah, and it's like out. So yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Woo. Freeway. I'm going on the freeway. Freeway. Yeah. Sunday morning, man. Sunday morning. A lot of people out walking, jogging, doing them exercise. Yeah, so there's nothing to worry about. Yeah. There's nothing to worry about. Hey, hey, hey. It's nice to hear of exercise. And you don't have to be afraid. Typical English. Ooh. Now, this video you also see pure quietness and me mumbling in the background of it, because you know when me do a video, I sometimes I don't put nobody in it. Just lovely scene. You can see. And it's like, let it go on, you know? Yeah. And just keep walking. So today, I don't know what you might get to see. It's a different day. I'm just like in the mood for walking. So that's what I'm doing. All right. Whew. Oh, yeah, yeah. There's some lovely, lovely views. Yeah. Lovely, lovely, lovely views. Oh, yeah, yeah. Whew. Wow. Hey, sorry, man. What's that? Oh, shit. Yeah, but you park it on the bloody sidewalk anyway. And I'm like, I'm moving through. And I never know, sir. I'm so that strong. I clutch the window. But I got a camera. So there's nothing wrong with it. But why if the bloody alarm did go off and everybody see me moving away from it, I would have to just stand there. Ah. Woo-hoo. That wouldn't be nice at all. But just bounce and you go wee, 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 wee. And the, the things start go off and you just like say, wait, what's going on? And yeah. And then morning, and then everybody start look, running. Ooh, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Ouch, oh yeah. Yeah, this road is busy. Anyway, so yeah, everybody exercise. There's a man over the road. He's running, and there's a woman just run past me. So yeah. They're going fast though because I don't know where to start run from anyway, but they just catch me up and pass me. But I'm walking, I'm not running. But it's a nice little quiet area. Anyway, we do the exercise. Yeah. I can run now, but I don't want to. Say best. You just walk anyway. Walking is good anyway, because it's like running, because I'm moving fast. I'm going fast. Like if I saw. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh. So. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. As I said, a lot of nice houses around here. Holy. This is a nice little camera too, to take good picture and take nice long ones. Yeah, but a lot of people still don't get up yet, and still like, yeah. All right. Yeah, they're moving fast, man. Cause they're running, and I'm walking. So. Yes, it's like the turtle on the air. You know that story. Oh, so that's one of the things, you know. Shoo. That would be a nice little shop. Yeah, if it was in Jamaica. In the neighborhood. Those would be a nice little shop. Ooh, the people go in, do business, and then that be a nice little shop. Selling all kind of things. Ooh. Right. But sometimes the government say, don't want no shop, you can't do no business, and just can't. But yeah, if we have a house like this in Jamaica, with them things at the front, definitely would be a shop there. Yeah. Ooh. As if you can do business, you do business. Why not? Why not? Alright. I don't know which part of the road to carry up. But to carry go way up. Okay. Alright. Ooh. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yay. Oh, man. Oh, oh yeah. Okay. Going straight across. Straight across the border. I'm going straight across the border. Hey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. As I said, just walk in the morning. Don't know where I would reach. Ooh, yeah. Live life, man. Live life to the fullness and stop complaining. Yeah, that's what it is all about. Live life to the full. Stop complaining. Got no time to fight each other. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. Just really funny though, the voice command part. And you can hear Rasta man. He knows, man. Oh, yeah. He knows. All right. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, see these places. Some nice house. So, so They're moving fast, man. Whew. Oh, yeah, yeah. Bougainvillea. Oh, shit. All right. Monetary point. Oh, yeah, yeah. You can feel it, man. Because I'm moving fast. And I'm like, oh. So, you feel it in your feet. It's a nice little house builder. Ooh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So, oh, yeah, yeah. Come on in. Okay. So, ooh. On that one, nice little settings. I love it. Yeah, I love it. I live there. Nice little tree too. I like the bush, bush, bush. Okay. Oh, and then, oh, it's like going through Beverly Hills. Very patriot. Very, very patriot. That have a British flag in there. Oh, man. Whew. Hey. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Brooklyn. I don't know. It's in Brooklyn. They said it might be David Beckham house. I don't know how true it is. And not because you have Brooklyn on it. It must be David Beckham house. I know you have a son in Brooklyn. But it's not. It must not be. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yes, people, just walk with me. Walk with me in the morning. Yeah. Walk with me in the morning. Doing the morning walk. Oh. Sunday morning walk. Yeah. Sunday morning walk. Yeah. Alright. 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 Right. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh man. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh. Oh yeah. Get into the sea. So when you get into the sea, you get a lot of cool breeze. A lot of it. And I mean a lot of it. Whew. Heavy breeze. Oh, heavy breeze. A lot of heavy wind. A lot of heavy wind. Oh, alright. That's me. I'm just doing a circle around. Oh yeah, that's the harbor there. So you reach the sea, so you get like a lot of cool breeze. Oh, oh yeah. Okay. All right.